Hi, this is Randy Wimmer, and I'd like to invite you to my upcoming webinar where I will be sharing a ton of government contracting industry insider tips. For example, how do you position your small business for the least amount of competition? This is an easy one if you know how to do it. You go to SBA, the Small Business Administration's website, and you download all of their SBA Small Business Program scorecards. They're all readily available. You go down there and you research which federal agency cannot find enough of set-aside types in your category to give away the full earmark. You'd be surprised. Billions of dollars in prime contracting and subcontracting earmarks are left on the table every single year because they can't find enough set-aside types in all the federal government agencies. Don't fish off the pier as everybody else. Just don't do that. The competition is way too great. Instead, find market spaces where they can't find enough of your type of company and pursue those.